Hi everyone, I'm Wafalango and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. If you have not subscribed the channel, so subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get some more videos about grammar. Today we are going to discuss the modal auxiliary verbs may and might from active voice into passive voice, how you're going to change them into 4 ways. And you know that we can change them into 4 ways by the help of ditransitive verbs. Before starting the lecture, we should try to understand the modal auxiliary verbs. We have already studied them, but here we will little bit discuss them. First is known as may, and the second one is known as might. You know, may is used for 30% possibility of an action, and might is less powerful than may, and that is used for 15%. When there are 15% of work chance to be done, and here 30% of work chance to be done. Now here we will discuss the ditransitive verb, as I told you, which need 2 objects and can be changed from active voice into passive voice into 4 ways. Now they need one indirect object and one direct object. Indirect object comes first and then the direct object. If you want to bring the direct object, then you need to take the help of a preposition with the indirect object. Now we will make the sentences of ditransitive verb into may. He may teach me grammar. You know, there are 30% chance of doing this action. He may teach me grammar because he has a work, he is busy, he cannot take time. So there are 30% possibility of an action, but 70% no chance. In the same way, he may teach grammar to me. So there are 2 ways to change them into active voice, and into passive voice there will be 4 ways. First, you will bring the non-living object in place of subject, and in second sentence as well. Over here you will bring by him first, grammar at the end, grammar at the beginning, by him at the end. And in third way you will bring the grammar first, and third and fourth sentence, by him first, to me at the end, to me at the beginning, and by him at the end. Like, I may be taught by him grammar, I may be taught grammar by him, grammar may be taught by him to me, grammar may be taught to me by him. Over here, you know, there are 30% possibility of the actions which might happen. Next, we have got negative sentences in which we deny the statement. He may not teach me grammar, he may not teach grammar to me, I may not be taught by him grammar, I may not be taught grammar by him, grammar may not be taught by him to me, grammar may not be taught to me by him. Then this is the opposite of this sentence. You know, he will not deny me teaching, because you know, maybe there are chances, but 30% that will be positive. Here 30%, that 70% that will be positive, but here 30% possibility. So see, negative sentence is the totally opposite of the negative sentence. Interrogative sentences in which we ask question or put queries. May he teach me grammar? May he teach grammar to me? Okay, here the sentence is, may I be taught by him grammar, may I be taught grammar by him, may grammar be taught by him to me, may grammar be taught to me by him. Next, we have got the formal sentences of modal auxiliary verb may he not teach me grammar, may he not teach grammar to me, may I not be taught by him grammar, may I not be taught grammar by him, may grammar not be taught by him to me, may grammar not be taught to me by him. Last, we have got the informal sentences of modal auxiliary verb may. Meant he teach me grammar, meant he teach grammar to me, meant I be taught by him grammar, meant I be taught grammar by him, meant grammar be taught by him to me, meant grammar be taught to me by him. So these are the sentences of modal auxiliary verb may. Now we will discuss the modal auxiliary verb might. Might is used, you know, one thing let me clear, that you need to use intonations. Intonation means your expressions of sentences according to the usage of a modal auxiliary verb. If it is must, you need to stress it. I must teach you. And if it is less stressable, then I say I ought to teach you. And then I should, I can teach you, I could teach you, I may teach you, I might teach you. So this is what, you know, less slight touch of the stress you will be giving it, in order to say that, you know, there are 15% chances of doing an action, we will be saying might. So let's make the sentences. He might teach me grammar, he might teach grammar to me, I might be taught by him grammar, I might be taught grammar by him, grammar might be taught by him to me, grammar might be taught to me by him. Next, we have got negative sentences in which we deny the statement. He might not teach me grammar. He might not teach grammar to me. Grammar might not be taught by him to me. Grammar might not be taught. Okay, I might not be taught by him grammar. I might not be taught grammar by him. Grammar might not be taught by him to me. Grammar might not be taught to me by him. Next, we have got the interrogative sentences. Might he teach me grammar? Might he teach grammar to me? Might I be taught by him grammar? Might I be taught grammar by him? Might grammar be taught by him to me? Might grammar be taught to me by him? Next, we have got the formal sentences, those sentences in which we deny the statement and ask question in a formal way, polite way, or respective way. Might he not teach me grammar? Might he not teach grammar to me? Might I not be taught by him grammar? Might I not be taught grammar by him? Might grammar not be taught by him to me? Might grammar not be taught to me by him? Last, we have got the informal sentences of modal auxiliary verb might. Might he not, might not short form is mightn't. Mightn't he teach me grammar? Mightn't he teach grammar to me? Mightn't I be taught by him grammar? Mightn't I be taught grammar by him? Mightn't grammar be taught by him to me? Mightn't grammar be taught to me by him? So these are the sentences of modal auxiliary verb may and might from active voice into passive voice in ditransitive verbs, changing them from one instead of one place into 4 places. Like there will be 4 ways to change the the ditransitive verbs in modal auxiliary verb may and might. Hope you got today's lecture. Wish you best of luck. See you with the next lecture. Goodbye.